Seems to work great. Considering this was just installed, I can't comment on longevity, however it does work as it should and seems to be of good quality. Lightweight for a grinder pump and installed in place of the older sewage pump which failed. Easy to install, quite, working great so far. Quick delivery, ordered one day and delivered the next. Worked like a champ draining an old in-ground pool that was filled with leaves and muck. I had bought an inferior pump locally last fall that would jam a lot. This chews up paper and other materials from my sump with ease. Very quiet considering how quickly it empties the sump. The price was the cheapest around as well. Works great. The only reason for 4 instead of 5 stars is that it is loud. But its performance has been awesome. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.